Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be reviewing this battery grip I have from my Nikon D5000 that I purchased off linktolight.com. I think that's the website, link in the description. But it's in my camera bag right now. Here's my camera bag, my D5000 right here, and the battery grip that's on it. Now, when you get the battery grip, I mean, it adds like an extra chunk, so you want to make sure it fits in your camera bag too. So that's just a heads up. Right there, I'm using the Low Pro, let's see, Rezo 170, and it's a pretty nice bag. It has a weatherproof system, which I also like, and it's pretty good just for like carrying your camera, your DSLR. So, I mean, here's the battery grip on the bottom. It's basically just screw it on. It has a really nice grip to it, and as you can see, it adds a little bit at the bottom for your fingers to fit, and I think this battery grip fits perfectly in my hand because I have big hands, and I mean this just has enough room for the pinky. I mean, it's really nice fit. So I just hold it like this. I mean, it fits better. I mean, with the battery grip on it, it feels better than with no battery grip, and it adds a nice little weight to it too. So at the bottom here, the battery grip, you have your door. You just lift that tab up and you twist it to the left, and the door falls down. You have two slots for two batteries. It's for two EN-EL9A 1000 milliamp hour batteries. So you're getting double the battery life with these batteries. So now you can take 1,000 pictures instead, as opposed to 500, or you can just use one. I mean, it's all up to you. You can use one or two. And Link the Light sells these battery grips in packages. So you can just buy the battery grip itself, but you won't get two batteries. So I purchased the one with the two batteries, and I believe that was 70 bucks. I would recommend purchasing on eBay rather than their website, because on eBay they don't charge you with shipping in case you ever want to return it, I guess. And I think eBay is more convenient. As to the website, they'll charge you, like, say this thing's 70, right? On eBay, they'll charge you 60 on the website, and then charge you $10 shipping. I mean, so it's basically the same. I just use eBay. It's more convenient for me. So whichever is convenient for you, use that. So I mean, close the door back up, turn it to the right, twist it down. Battery grip is very nice and well built. It's not cheap at all. And to take it off, you just twist this little screw, this little turny thingy. I don't know what it's called, tripod thingy. Twist it out, and it pulls out just like this. And then in this little part here, this is where your battery door goes, and then it just goes in this little part of the battery grip. And if you notice, if you guys can see, the battery grip has a nice same text coating. It's like I don't know what this coating is, but it has the same coating as on the D5000. That metal look, nice metal look. And then there's a storage place on the side right here for your battery door, and you can take that out really easy. If you guys don't know, you just tilt it at like a 45-degree angle and yank it out. I mean, that's basically. And then here's the battery grip. Has like a nice I don't think this is leather. A nice grip on the side, rubber grip on the side. And let's see there. I mean, there it is. Oh, and then there's a shutter button for taking portraits. Now the grip. The grip is the most important thing. Now, if you have small hands, I would not recommend getting this grip, because for portrait, I mean, this grip is kind of beastie. It's kind of buff. I mean, not buff. It's like bulky. It's kind of bulky. It's kind of big when you take portraits. I mean, it's perfect for me, but then I don't know about it. Depends on how big your hands are. But I mean, it fits perfectly. Well, now, which grip do I prefer when I use this? I actually prefer taking portraits like this with the grip on, as opposed to this. And this is for two reasons. One reason is, I mean, Nikon didn't make a battery grip for this, so you have to plug in a cable. Plus, I don't like that cable because it just hangs out. I mean, your door sticks open like this, and your cable's in there. I'd rather have that flush in there, flat, not opening. So let me get the cable for you guys. And this cable will enable you to use shooting portrait mode. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install the battery grip. You just plug in your batteries. I would consider buying the package with the two batteries, because I mean, it's better for you. And you just plug it in here. Oops, let's see. There you go. And you just turn this little knob right here, and you'll see the LED indicator turn green. Ooh, kind of odd. Mine did not turn. Oh, yeah. I guess it turns green when it's on or something. I don't know. Maybe you guys saw it turn green, but I didn't see anything turn green. I mean, that's basically how you get it on right there, and then you're ready to use it. So let's take this out. You turn the camera on, and you can see it's fully functional. Always have a nice battery life with this because it's doubled the battery power. I mean, it's basically simple. If you want a better grip, if you need big hands for your D5000, I would recommend getting this battery grip. It works perfectly. It doesn't feel cheap whatsoever. It feels really high quality. And the grip here, it's really nice. I mean, when I'm shooting portraits, I actually use like this as compared to this because the shutter does not work because you need to put the cable in. And where's the cable that I took out? Oh, here's the cable. So if you want to use portrait, the portrait shutter right here on the battery grip, basically take the cable they provide you with, you stick it right there, then you open this tab up and you plug it into the GPS port. Make sure that's in, and then you're fully functional. I mean, that's all you have to do. Make sure that cable's plugged in, and I'll show you guys right now. Turn the camera on, that this does work. And let me put the camera in continue autofocus. I mean, continuous shooting. Let me just get my SD card for a second. Using a SanDisk Ultra. So let's plug that in there, and let's make sure the camera's in continuous shooting. Right there. So it's in continuous shooting, and as you can see here, that's that. And then when you can use the vertical shutter or the portrait shutter right here, and it works the same. Also, look. So I mean, this is probably the best battery pack you'll get for your D5000 from linktolight.com. It's not name brand or nothing. If you guys go check out my recent videos, or I don't know how long ago, I actually have unboxing of this if you guys want to go check it out. I mean, basically that's it right there. Yeah, see right there. And I mean, this button does work with everything too. Look, I'll show you guys continuous shooting right now, but it can't take a photo because it's. So let's try this. So autofocuses and everything. I mean, that's basically just the battery grip right here. It's a really great battery grip. I definitely recommend it if you guys are trying to get more power for your camera and etc. and all that good stuff. I also bought a lens holder at Best Buy. I mean, this battery grip works flawlessly. Personally, I don't use the cord. I don't use the shutter button. I just use the battery grip for the grip and the battery life. And I mean, basically that's it. And I also got my 105mm lens on this D5000. So guys, thanks for watching. It's from Link to Light, link in the description. So I mean, this is just for you guys that wanted to see this battery grip review. And thank you guys for watching, and questions or comments, get me in the comment section, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But for now, follow me on Twitter, link in the sidebar, and etc. Oh, I forgot to put this back in too, so I guess I have to unscrew it because there's a slot. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.